Okay, today my video will be on microworm feeding. I'm feeding them to my guppies, and I just wanted to show you all why I stick by microworms. This is one of my guppy tanks. I just want to show you all the feeding frenzy it causes. 1 second. These are microworms on a Q-tip, and here we go. As you can see, the guppies can tell something has hit the water, and everybody's looking like they love it. I definitely recommend live food over flakes, especially microworms. They're great for babies, fries, adults, and I just love them. They're great. They're very small, so it's kind of hard to see them actually. There you go. Perfect. As you can see, the little fry are eating, and juveniles. Please leave comments, any questions, or anything you need. If you need microworms, please leave me a comment and I can email you. I have plenty of microworms for sale. You can reach me at djneildarvin@gmail.com, or you can just reach me at YouTube. Thank you and have a great one.